Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the image and opening Apple Books. Choose a JPG or PNG sized between 1,400 and 2,500 pixels for best results. This keeps clarity across devices. Once done, back up the original so you can revert if needed, and launch Books on your Mac while signed into the Apple ID that owns the book. Next, locate the book in your library. You want the specific edition that appears under the drop-down, not a sample or preview. Now you edit the book record and swap the image. Right-click the title and choose Get Info. Confirm you're editing the correct edition and file format. Then either use the Covers area or drag your prepared image directly onto the cover thumbnail. Books will prompt to crop if necessary. Make subtle crops to keep titles and author names visible. After confirming, click Save or close the window. The library updates the displayed cover immediately, and the file is replaced locally. Finish by syncing and verifying the change across devices. If you use iCloud Books, allow a few minutes for propagation and then check your iPhone and iPad. If not, sync via Finder or device settings. Make sure the new image appears. If you still see the old cover, quit Books and reopen, or sign out and back into iCloud to clear caches. As a fallback, remove the local copy, re-import the edited file, and confirm it's tied to the same Apple ID to preserve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.